Hi, my name is Andy Park. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll share tips and tricks that you can use to watch YouTube videos more efficiently. Almost all the tips I'll share today are tied to shortcuts. So if you watch videos on YouTube regularly, it really pays to learn these shortcuts. Let's start with the view settings. If you want to play the video in full screen mode, press F. If you want to view it in theater mode, press T. If you want a mini player, press I. If you need to quickly mute your video, press M. Press M again to turn the sound back on. If you need to turn on closed caption, hit C. You can change the opacity of the closed caption by hitting O. Keep hitting O will cycle through the different opacity levels. If you want to change the size of the closed caption, hit plus or minus. These first set of playback shortcuts are used almost universally across the different media players and video editors. They typically play the video forward, backward, pause, and play. These are the J, K, L keys. In YouTube, J rewinds the video by 10 seconds, L fast forwards by 10 seconds, and K is used as a toggle to pause and play the video. Left, right, and spacebar. If 10 seconds is too much, we can also use the left and right arrow, which will rewind and fast forward the video by 5 seconds instead. And we can use the spacebar to pause and play the video. Increase and decrease the playback speed. Whenever I watch an instructional content, I almost always speed up the playback. I'll only slow down at the parts where I need to pay special attention. We can use the angle brackets to increase or decrease the speed. Use the greater than symbol to increase the speed and the less than symbol to decrease the speed. Chapter markers. Longer videos often include chapter markers. We can skip forward or backward to different chapters by pressing Option plus arrow forward or Option plus arrow backward. I use this a lot when I listen to music on YouTube where there are a bunch of songs included in a single video and I want to skip through the playlist. Move frame by frame. If you want to freeze frame on a particular point in a video, you can first pause by either hitting K or space, then move the frame forward by hitting comma or backward by hitting period. If you want to see the full list of shortcuts, hit Shift/. If you want to save a specific timestamp in the video to reference in the future, you can right-click on the video and hit Copy Video URL at current time. I do this often with instructional videos and food recipes, and save the link to my Evernote. If you want to copy the transcript of a video, open the video theater mode by hitting T, then go to the three dots menu and hit Open Transcript. There you can click and drag the text to select and copy, then paste it into a word editor or notes program. This can be helpful for things like book summary or a lecture, where you can really take the content, highlight different sections of interest, can annotate, and further engage with the information for best learning. Alternatively, if you want to take notes while watching along educational content, consider using a web app like Transcribe. This web app allows you to take notes while watching the linked YouTube video, which will appear in a small media player. This web app has simple shortcuts for playback such as speed up, slow down, skim forward, pause, and others that makes it really easy for you to capture notes at your own pace. You can also insert timestamp in your notes by hitting Ctrl+J, making it quick and easy to reference back to the exact points in the video where you captured your notes. If you're interested in learning more about Transcribe, I made a video about it so you can check it out in the card above. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and bye for now.